I can imagine myself, I can see the future, and it's bright.
I'm desperate to get you some boxes and get you out of the house.
Mom, don't say
Kidding,
that! Hi guys! I just powered on my mic and I just need to make a statement. Oh, I love this. So, ooh, Mom, you look hot! Damn! Anyways, guys, so we are getting ready and we're gonna go to IKEA. IKEA, baby! In Bulgaria, we actually call it IKEA, but it's okay. It's IKEA in English. We need to get some moving boxes. Huh? IKEA is the right one? Just Americans say it. Yeah. Yeah. So apparently the correct way to say it is IKEA. Is it not because it's a Scandinavian brand?
Yeah, it's a European brand. So
Yes, so they say it IKEA. Okay. Anyways, but we're gonna go and get some moving boxes. And I think we're gonna, if we have time, go get bubble wrap. Because I'm moving next month. It's actually the 24th of July and I move on the 25th of August. So basically a month away from now. That's insane. So yeah, we're gonna go get these things. And I connected my mic for the first time to the camera just because the audio in my last videos was bad because I was filming with my phone. So we're gonna change that, guys. I'm just gonna go put on some pants. For a change, because I'm just in a t-shirt and underwear, so I'm gonna go put pants on and we're gonna get going. Okay, so I'm doing a fit check in the nature.
I'm do it for you. You point to it.
Okay.
Okay, so you point to it. Okay, t-shirt from H&M, jeans Zara, Lululemon, Nike random store.
Nike random store, Nike. I got them from Nike. So we made it to IKEA, but IKEA did not make it to us. It's still closed. There is 2 minutes until it opens. So we look like desperate people that didn't sleep all night trying to get to IKEA, but it's okay.
But we are.
But we are desperate.
I'm desperate to get you some boxes and get you out of the house.
Mom, don't say that.
Kidding.
Yeah, that's what everybody says when they're serious, but they want to smooth out the situation.
Yeah, you have experience with that, right?
Wow, is this a roasting game or what is this? It's getting super hot today. Yesterday we had an orange warning for heat and it was so hot and started raining and then there was a thunderstorm and all kinds of things. But we made it. We survived the thunderstorm, didn't we?
We did.
Anyways, guys. So yeah, I wanted to show you my mom's outfit, but oh well, look at it.
Look at that.
Look at that. Yeah, she has a New York Yankees hat. She has a black t-shirt from Terra Nova and black pants and a fanny pack from Zara and a fanny pack from Shein. But it's super nice. Okay, let's go. Should I get a hot dog afterwards? Yeah. Oh, okay. Also, I want to say something very embarrassing. Turns out I had a whole university email that I totally forgot about. And I was receiving so many emails with information. And I found out about it a week ago. So I had a lot of things to catch up on. And but I got some sense into myself. And I finally understood what I have to do in order to start in a couple weeks.
Enrolled in some kind of out of school activities that you didn't even...
I didn't even sign up for out of school activities yet, and I got an email that said that art class is changing from floor 1 to floor 23, and I was like, I haven't enrolled in art class, what the frick? So yeah, I don't know what's happening. I also am getting information about fourth years, about internships. I haven't even started my first year and I'm getting emails about my fourth year. That's okay, guys. We're gonna figure it out. But look at IKEA. It's enormous. It's huge. We're not going up the escalator. We can get the cake, the dime cake, mama. They have the best cake over here. Let me just go and film it for everyone so they know where they can get the best sweets over here. Also, I don't know if I'm allowed to film here, but I'm just doing it anyways because you only live once, so YOLO. They have, yes, they do. This is the best cake ever, the dime one. I used to like the brownie one as well, but the dime one is better. Yes. But
Yeah,
they have
this
different
one
ones.
is amazing.
Can we get it?
No.
Mamo, please. They have food. I don't know if every IKEA has food. They have bagels. New York City bagels. Ooh, baked in Greece. Damn, nice. But yeah. Look at how beautiful she is. Look at that model walk. Oh, so fun fact, they have a restaurant in IKEA over here, and they have the best meatballs that you've ever had in your entire life. As you can see, I'm food oriented. I know everything about the food. If you need some good food, just ask me, and I got you. Also, we're getting Ziploc bags because the ones in IKEA are always the best. And they're actually fun colors. Why are these so small? We need the big packs. Maybe on the other side. Come. Think I got it. Oh yes, it's here. I want the pink ones. Look. Cutesy patootsy. Imagine just owning this and being like, oh, sorry guys. That's a fancy bathroom, yes. Nice for IKEA and nice for me. Maybe they should let me move in. Wow, they even put jewelry on here as if like, you know, his and hers bathroom. I can imagine myself, I can see the future and it's bright.
Alright.
Alrighty, let's go back on track. Guys, we found it. We found it finally, yeah. This one looks massive, but it's probably not even that big when you fold it up. Those are the sizes. Okay, but how many are we gonna get like this?
We're gonna get 3.
Only?
Yeah.
This woman thinks that I can put my stuff in 3 boxes. Mom, I'm gonna take a lot of things.
No, I think we're gonna be fine with 3.
I think we need 10.
No.
What do you mean, no? I would like to put a complaint somewhere. Mom, I don't think 3 will do us justice. Oh. Okay, we got it. Should we get one smaller one just in case? Okay, vamos. Let's go, people. We got the job done, and we even have time to go get bubble wrap as well, so. Oh my god, she already ruined the box, guys. Somebody need...
We can move like that.
Yeah, because why would you put the biggest one like
Where
that?
do you want me to put it?
I don't know.
It's not
Get yourself a license for an IKEA cart with boxes. Madre is not happy with the structure of this, because this is so much better. Also, I'm hungry. Don't do this at home, kids. I squished the Ziploc bag. Okay, I'm out. Oof. I'm sweaty. Go, Kylie, go. So my life flashed before my eyes. Even the camera doesn't want me anymore. Anyways, adios guys, we're going to get bubble wrap now. We made it to Metro. That's what the store is called, but it's like the American Costco. So we're gonna get bubble wrap from here, and I think that's the only thing we need. There are so many people, we barely found a parking spot, but we did. It's like in Costco, you need to have a special card in order to shop here, but my mom forgot her card, so we're hoping that we can get a day pass or something. Okay, so my mom registered in the app in order to get a card because it was gonna be easier than getting just a day pass because she doesn't know where her card is at home anyways. So we're on our way searching for that bubble wrap. I think they changed the layout of the store, so we're like lost. There it is. Bubble wrap. This one. $7. They have boxes too. But yeah. Okay, we got it done. We'll see you guys later. And I'm gonna end the video probably at home, so see you at home. We're not ending the vlog because I'm craving some chocolate. Do they have the new Milka ones? The chunky ones? Remember how I got the basic one, but it was more chunky? They don't have it anywhere, not even in the store by home anymore.
They don't?
Look at that one.
But you don't like this one.
Look, it's a new one. It's with a wafer. Wafer.
I think you tried it.
I think I should just get the basic one.
Like this?
Yeah. It's gonna melt by the time we get home.
That's true.
That's fine. The funny thing is the store is full, but there's nobody at the cash registers. We made it home, guys, and I'm getting my chocolate so that I can snack on it. I just love a sweet treat, okay? And I was craving for so long just a normal chocolate bar, but in the summer, especially here in Bulgaria, they tend to melt so fast, it's not even funny. By the time you get out of the grocery store and get it into your car, it's already melted. So that's why I was hesitating for so long, but today I was like, you know what? If it melts, it's gonna melt anyways. It does not matter whatsoever. But yeah, we're at home. I'm gonna edit right now the vlog that me and my mom filmed today, and I'm gonna get it ready because next week I'm actually not gonna be at home. I'm gonna be out of the city, and then I literally sleep for one night in my bed and I leave for a girls trip. So I don't know what life is anymore. When I come back from that girls trip, I am going to London in a couple of days for the Shawn Mendes concert, and then it's moving day. We leave literally like less than 7 days after I come back, but it's such a crazy schedule. My godparents are here from France, and we are planning things with them as well for like activities and everything, but everything is just all over the place, so I'm trying not to stress as much, not have as much anxiety. But yeah, this is how life sounds right now. I'm super grateful for everything that I have going on. I'm super grateful for the people that I have in my life, and also I'm super grateful for you guys. I really wanted to say this. I know that some people are confused with my posting and why it's in English. I just think that this is the best thing for me right now. I'm not saying that I'll never ever have a YouTube video in Bulgarian ever again. That's not the case, but for now I am sticking to English as of right now because nobody promised us tomorrow. With that being said, I love you guys. I'm gonna go edit right now. I love you so much. Thank you for coming with me through this whole journey. I can't wait for the vlogs from Madrid and moving dates and like first day of university because it's so freaking close. It's actually terrifying, exciting. I have anxiety, but at the same time, super pumped for it. So yeah, good things are coming my way. Anyways, guys, I love you. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you put the thumbs up and comment down below if you stayed until the end of the video. Comment the moving box emoji. Okay, love you guys. Bye.